Now we will move on to the demo of the product. Here you can see on the left hand side navigation pane there is a pre-project, project and account. Firstly we will select the pre-project and we will create a new pre-project by clicking on the new button, and after clicking new button then new page will open and we have to enter some details regarding the pre-project. For example, PID, which is a project ID, and project name. I am taking test. Then we will enter accounts. We have to enter the budget of the pre-project and the start date and end date of the pre-project. After entering these values, we have to click on the save button. After we click on the save button, then we will go to the activities which are here and add activity regarding the project. Here I will select the tasks activity regarding this pre-project and we have to enter some demo data like subject, description, start date, end date, and after that we have to click on the save button. In the same activity we can also add the document regarding to this activity. We have for adding the document we have to go to the documents and it will ask for new folder to create regarding this activity and we have to click OK. For adding new document we have to click on the new button and after that document then we have to browse the file which we have to add to this activity. Like for example I am taking Mahindra XUV 500 and clicking open, then click OK. Now you can see here that Mahindra XUV 500, my document is added to this activity. If I want to edit this document, then I have to select this document and click on the edit button and select the edit option and click OK. Now we will add some lines here like test and we will save the file and close the file. Now here you can see the magic of the document versioning. Here you see only one document, but if we go to the action and then version history, then you will see there are two documents 0.1 and 0.2. If we click on the 0.1 document and click OK, then we will see the older version of the document. And if we want to see the recently version of document, then we have to click on version 2.0, and then you can see what we had entered here, new version of the document. In this view, you will see only one document, and this document is the latest one. Now we will close this activity, and in the pre-project form, here you can see the list of the activity regarding this project. After all the activity is closed, first you have to close the activity for closing this pre-project, and we have to mark as a complete here. Then you will see that there is no activity here, but if you drop down here, then you can see your close activity. In close activity, the same task activity. After all the activity is closed, then we have to go down or click on the project management which is left hand side, and here we will enter the project timeline, budget and team. For example, I am selecting project timeline 8th August to December 31st. Project budget will be, and project team is like testing. And below we will enter the details regarding the remaining phases, that is design phase, procurement phase, pre-series phase and production start phase. We have to enter start date, end date and budget for each phases. After entering all the data, then we have to qualify this pre-project to the project. For this, we will go to the ribbon and click on the qualify button, and here we have to select the project, and regarding potential customer, like this is a Mahindra, and click OK. Now pre-project is qualified and converted to the project. We can see our project under the project section, and click on our project is a test. Here we can see all the details are filled automatically from the pre-project. And on the left side we can see all the phases which are in the project management is the first design phase, procurement phase, pre-series phase and production start phase. Now I will show only the demo of the one phase, that is design phase. And here we will add new design phase, and we will see again that all the details regarding the project are pre-filled here, like owner, PID, project name, budget allocated to design phase, account, start date of the design phase and the end date of the design phase. We have to give the name of the design phase, and click on the save button. And here again we can add the activities regarding the design phase, like by clicking on the add new activity and adding activity like task, fax, phone call, email, letter, appointment, campaign response and recurring appointment. Here I am taking the example of tasks. Enter some subject, start date and end date, and we will save and close that. Like that we can add numbers of the activities regarding the design phase, procurement phase, pre-series phase and production start phase. After all the activity are, if all the activity are completed in the design phase, then we will proceed to the procurement phase, after that pre-series phase and production start phase. Now the benefit of the solution, there are various benefit of the solution to the end user and to the business. For the end user, it is a simple interface, intuitive, easy tasks and document management, very less training required, and Microsoft look and feel. For the business side perspective, you can track the progress of the project, process oriented, not a person oriented, escalation, low TCO, and rapid ROI. Thank you.